Now let's see how to convert the spreadsheet into sprites and configure them properly. Remember that traditionally sprites have a standard size, for example, based on 16 pixels by 16 pixels unit, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, and so on. So keep in mind that in this tutorial we are going to use an sprites of 32 pixels on white to 64 pixels on height. Then let's start. In the project tab, go to the folder where the image is. Click and go to the inspector. Once here, select the option Sprite 2D and UI on the texture type, as well as select the multiple option on sprite mode. On the pixels per unit, it's preferable to put the number of pixel size unit that your sprite are using to control the size of the image that appears on screen. Also change the value to 0 in SpriteSheet parameter. On the filter mode parameter, select the point no filter option. Press the button Sprite Editor and click on Apply. Once the window opens, click on Slide and in the Type option select Write by cell size. Then add the size that each sprite must have. In this case, it will be 32 pixels wide and 64 pixels height, as I've said it before. The pivot must be on the center. When all is ready, then click on the Slides option and finally go to the button Apply and click on it. Okay, as you can see, the spreadsheet has converted into several individual sprites, and we are going to use them on the next videos. This same process must be repeated with each one of the animated objects that you wish to create. And remember that all the spreadsheets must have the same number of cells, as well as all the cells that will compose one single sprite across numerous spreadsheets must match in size. As they are the same image, they need to be on the same cells position and have the same size on width and height. Remember that the true value of this tool is to create composed sprites. So we need to create several spreadsheets and do the same process with all of them to later overlap them on runtime and construct and compose image to make the animations. So in the remaining time of this video, I'm gonna repeat the process for all the body parts. So watch it and follow the steps. Thank you for being watching this video and see you later.